Welcome back, Algebra 2 students. Section 9.6, Day 2. Okay, and today we'll continue with solving exponential equations, just a little bit more advanced. So again, we'll do 3 or 4 problems, depends on timing. So example number 1, I prepared all the notes for you. So please follow me and then take good notes. Now, the problem is 10 raised to x minus 8 power minus 4 equals 18. So we have technically 3 steps to follow. First step is I do not need the negative 4 over here. So what did I do? Okay, I added 4 to both sides. So here I did plus 4, I did plus 4. That's how I got 22 on the right side. I'm talking about this step. Okay, and then if you have exponential equation, just like from day 1, you take log of both sides, which is this step, and then power rule says the exponent goes in the front. Okay, so then you have x minus 8 log 10 equals log 22, divide by log 10 both sides, and then last step is to do log 22 divided by log 10 plus 8, and that is your answer. I know it's kind of hard to follow it, especially when the notes are written, but let's do a few problems together slowly. Okay? Oh, no, that's not what I want. Question number 1. Let me make it bigger for you so you can follow me. So question number 1. I have 6 times 2 raised to 9r power 9r equals 91. So think about algebra 1. If I give you 6x equals 91, wouldn't you divide by 6 first? Multiplication, inverse operation is division. If this was 6 plus, you would do minus 6 minus 6. So first thing is divide by 6, divide by 6. Okay? So if you do it, you will get 2 raised to 9r power, okay, is equal to, if you use decimals, this will be 15.17. Okay, now you take log of both sides, that's your second step. Let me rewrite this. So you get log 2 raised to 9r is equal to log 15.17. Now power rule, 9r goes in the front. So you get 9r times log 2 is equal to log 15.17. Now, how do you get 9r by itself? Okay, first you divide both sides by log 2. If you put this in a calculator, okay, so take your time and do it, you have 9r is equal to log 15.17 divided by log 2. Let me check my work. Log 15.17 divided by log 2, I get 3.923. 3.923. And then please ask yourself, how do you solve 9r equals 3.923? Obviously, you will divide both sides by 9. So divide by 9, divide by 9. This is 9. Okay, so I'm going to put the answer in the right corner. So if I use my calculator, divide by 9, I got approximately 0.436. So R is approximately 0.436, and I'll circle it. That's my final answer. Okay? So what I want you to do right now is this. I want you to take a minute or two on your own. So please pause this video, try number 2, but really try it, otherwise you're not gonna know what to do, because copying is easy, but once you're on your own it's hard. Try it, and once you get stuck, obviously watch the video and then learn from your mistakes. Okay. Number 2, -8 times. -8 times. So what's my first step? Divide both sides by -8. Don't do +8. This is multiplication. So divide by -8. Divide by -8. So you get 7 raised to m minus 3 is equal to, please use your calculator, okay, 85.4 over 8, obviously the answer is positive, so I do 85.4 divided by 8, it's 10.675, 10 and 675 thousandths. Again, I hope I'm not making mistakes with typing my numbers, because yeah, it's correct. So this will be 10.675. Now, the next step is, every time I'm solving exponential equation, okay, in this form, I will take log of both sides. So log and then log. And then the rule says this goes in the front as a coefficient. So I get m minus 3 times log 7 equals log 10.675. Okay, so now I have expression x minus 3 times log 7 divided by log 7 divided by log 7. Okay, so this cancels, so I get m minus 3 is equal to, please type this in your calculator, okay, I will do it, log 10.675 divided by log 7. So this is equal to 1.217. 1.217. In other words, using proper language, 1 and 217 thousandths. So now think about this equation. M minus 3 equals 1.217. M minus 3. How do you solve for m? Plus 3 plus 3. So your final answer is m is equal to 4.217. Okay, so this is your final answer, 4 and 217 thousandths. Beautiful. And last question for today. So this is day 2 of section 9.6. Again, take a minute, pause the video for yourself for about 2-3 minutes, maybe 4 or 5, depends what you're doing right now, and do it, okay, and then watch my video and check your mistakes. You have to do it this way, otherwise copying this without paying attention is not going to help you. We're going to have office hours, class, Monday is period 7 and Tuesday is period 8, so obviously I will do some examples, okay, but this is a good way to practice. Number 3. First step. +1, +1. So you get 4 raised to negative 2x power is equal to 19. Okay. Now I will take log of both sides. Let me actually put this in red. Log. So using the power rule, I get negative 2x, excuse me, excuse me, okay, I'm back, negative 2x log 4x, so just 4, equals log 19. Look at your goal. Your goal is to get x by itself. So I'm going to do this in 2 steps. First, I will divide by log 4, but whatever you do to the left side, do it to your right side. this cancels. So I get negative 2x. Using your calculator, please put this in, okay, and see what you get, and I'll tell you what my TI-84 is telling me. Log 19 divided by log 4. Now got close parentheses. 2.124. So now I get this equation. Negative 2x equals 2.124. How do you get x by itself? Divide by negative 2, both sides. And my calculator tells me that the answer is negative 1.062. Okay, so please take good notes, do homework 9.6 homework 2, and please submit everything day 1 and day 2 videos and homework by Wednesday 7:30. Okay, so homework will be due Wednesday morning and Friday morning, and every Friday there will be quiz. That way you know what to do. Thank you very much, and see you online either Monday or Tuesday. Thank you. Enjoy your weekend if you are watching this on Sunday, because today is Sunday when I'm recording it. Bye bye.